Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to buy a gift card on Best Buy. We will also put links in the description below for Best Buy deals and promotions for you to check out. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. To start, open the website bestbuy.com. Then click on the account option. A drop-down list will appear and you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Gift Cards. Now, select the type of gift card. You could select from physical gift card, e-gift card, specialty gift card, and corporate gift card. Just click on the particular card you wish to select. Next, browse the list of gift cards. Then click on the Add to Cart button beside the gift card you wish to buy. If you have added all the cards you wish to buy, click on Checkout. Since we select a physical card, we now need to enter the shipping address and shipping date. Also, enter your email address and phone number. After entering, click on the button that says Continue to Payment Information. Here, enter your credit or debit card number, as well as the billing address. Here, enter your credit or debit card number, as well as the billing address. You could also give a donation and select from the amount options provided. Lastly, click on the Place Your Order button. And that's how you buy a gift card on Best Buy. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.